Hi, Darren. This is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions. And today I'm going to talk to you about a few things you can do to have you boosting your online presence and getting some traffic to your door and get you found online and get you to grow your business. So, those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason that I do this is because this is my way of giving back to business owners and shooting this video for them of things that they can actually do to grow their business. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it, which I'm totally cool with. Or you can, or sometimes they reach out to me and we come up with a plan and work together. So either way, after you watch this video and you like what you see, uh, we can talk, or you can do this yourself. I'm plenty all right with it. So I do need to explain that it is important to have a website. This is how you are able to take advantage of these tips and have you outranking your competition. Now, there are two platforms that I use for this. They're the best platforms that I found that work the best for this, and that's WordPress or a platform called Snaps. They're really easy to use, and you can build your site out with them and start implementing these tips to your website and uh, have you boosted. So once you get your site up and built, uh, you're going to want content on your homepage. Now, Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And the homepage is the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google. So you want Google to be on your site longer and crawl the rest of your pages and find you and find the keywords that you would be ranking for. So you would build the keywords in your content, such as carpet cleaning, Kansas City, Missouri. That would be an example of what we call a buyer intent keyword, somebody who's looking for your type of service in your area. So you put that in the search engine and you see first our local ads that businesses are paid to have running. And then you see the map section is the next part, which I'll come back to in a second. And then down here you see the organic section. Now, you really want to be on this first page because this is where uh, the most traffic comes from on this first page. You get some from the bottom part of it, and but you really want to be up in this top part of the organic search because for any these generate the most traffic to your website for people looking for your service. For they generate the most for any given service for any given search. Now you can see that here is your top competitor here for this search. Zero ZKC, and I have their website here so you can kind of see how it's built out, get an idea of what's going on. They You can contact them here. They got their contacts. They are showing a service, a special for their service. They You can see more about what they do. Come down here more. Seen their services there. And you can kind of see how it's built out there. It goes back and forth. You got the little sweeper form to fill out, some reviews. Now, I don't see though the content that Google likes to see, so it would be easy to outrank them there and beat them. Now, also use a tool called Ahrefs. This tool tells me what's going on with the website per Google and how it's performing. You can see here they are getting a UR rating of 32 and a DR of 14. Now, these are Google's power and trust flow numbers. and you can boost these numbers up with these tricks. This is a really powerful site between a 30 and a 40. That's what that tells me is a powerful site. So what they're doing is something good. They're getting 643 backlinks from 91 referring domains. Now, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. Other websites pointing back to you, giving you the authority in Google's eyes, and Google pushes you up higher. Uh, you want relative to your industry backlinks, though. You do not want something broken, spammy, or irrelevant like Pizza Hut or something, because that would actually hurt you. And you can also go after the same links that your competitors are using, because if they're strong enough to rank them, they're going to be strong enough to rank you. And they're being found for 272 organic keywords, and they are generating 503 organic traffic for having that top spot. And you can click on the keywords that they're being found for. So you click on that and it brings up their keywords so you can see which ones that you want to use in your content. So like carpet cleaning Kansas City, 450 search volume a month. Uh, KC carpet cleaners, 250 search volume a month. KC carpet cleaning, 250. Carpet cleaners Kansas City, 150 search volume month. Now those are good examples of buyer intent keywords, like carpet cleaning Kansas City, 100 search volume. So you want those types of keywords built into your content. And between the content and the backlinking, that pushes you up higher in this organic section. Now, coming back here, this is the map section where your Google business profile, you have a Google business profile built out, and then your name, address, and phone number that you have on your Google business profile, you go get listed in directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Just get the listings, and you put them anywhere, as many as you can get. Other social media works too. Google will find them all and point back to you and rank you up higher in this map section. So again, between the content and the backlinking, ranking you up higher in this organic section, and then the citations ranking you up here in the map section, that'll have you all over that first page for the search of carpet clean Kansas City, Missouri. Now, again, if you like this video and you want to take this attack plan and run with it, I'm totally cool with it. Or you can reach out to me here. This is my website, and we can come up with a plan and work together, implement this strategy, and start growing your business. Uh, Again, you can reach out to me here, or you can give me a call, 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback on it. Have a good day.